I'm Dr. Simeon Udunka. I'm coming from Cedar Hill, Texas, which is right outside Dallas. I've been a practice owner for 4 years. Since I've been affiliated with Affordable Care, education and continuing education has been at the forefront. I wanted to come to Arizona because I wanted to improve my skill set placing implants. I'm always wanting to learn more and find different techniques on how to do things better, more efficient and more accurately. So, when you have a course like this that allows someone like myself to come and get a lot more patient experience and be under the tutelage of some of the best experts around, that's just a no-brainer for me. Dr. Moody is one of the best. Biggest thing is he's relatable, not only as a doctor, but as a person who can guide you through this process to the beginning. He's always made himself available if you have questions after the fact, as well as questions while you're here. So it's always great to be around this environment so that I can pick his brain as much as possible. So be able to have it structured in a way where we can kind of come with our peers and some of our colleagues being the faculty as well. It really helps improve the whole learning experience, and we're able to do a lot in a small amount of time. So the goal is to take some of these huge factors, what we learn now, and take it back to our home offices and our practices to help improve our patient support. Implant dentistry is a phenomenal practice of dentistry. It changes a lot. So I like to be ahead of the curve and be able to offer patients those services that they most desperately want and need at oftentimes. It's really refreshing to come to a facility that's just donated and dedicated so much time and effort for treating this patient demographic and patient population. These are patients that ordinarily would not be able to receive these type of dental services because of the cost. But you're able to affect someone in a positive way, to be able to eat comfortably, be able to smile again, and restore their self-esteem. So this has been a great experience to be able just to help patients improve their oral health care and their self-esteem.